The margarita is one of the most popular cocktails around the world, and it's one of my personal favorites. My name is Tony Pereira, and today I'll be making for you a very special margarita called the Mango Muchacho Margarita. Like most margaritas, the Mango Muchacho Margarita will have silver tequila, but we'll also add mezcal for a hint of smokiness. Some fresh lime, agave nectar, poblano pepper for that kick of spice, and of course, fresh mango, giving you that sweet heat combo in this delicious margarita. Now let's get started with our Mango Muchacho Margarita. For our first ingredient, we're going to be adding some fresh mango cubes. And typically I'd say probably about anywhere from 3 to 4 mango cubes. We're going to be adding our fresh poblano pepper, and I'd say probably about 2 to 3 pieces, depending on how spicy you do like that. And now, whenever we muddle, we're going to add a little agave to this as well, and we're going to be putting about 3/4 of an ounce of agave, and we're going to just layer that right in. Now for this cocktail, we're going to have to muddle. And really, when you muddle, we just want to press 2, 3, sometimes 4 times, but really you just want to kind of open up those flavors and just try to start getting all that spicy and sweet mango blending together, just like that. So now, for our next ingredient, we're going to be adding some fresh lime juice. We're going to be putting 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. We're going to add 1 ounce and 3/4 of our silver tequila. And we're going to be adding 1/4 ounce of our mezcal, just for that little bit of smokiness. So now we have all of our ingredients in our glass, and now we're ready to shake. So we're going to add ice to our mixing glass, and now we're going to ice our cocktail glass at the same time. And today we have this really fun cactus cocktail margarita glass. And we're going to ice this up. We're good to go. And now we're ready to shake. We're going to strain this out right into our cocktail glass. Voila. And now we're going to garnish with our mango fan. Place that right on top, along with our lovely lime wheel. And one little extra special kick of heat, we are going to just give this a little char, just to wake it up a little bit, give it a little bit of extra flavor and heat to this cocktail, just like so. And we're going to lay this directly into our glass. And this is our Mango Muchacho Margarita, looking absolutely fabulous, and we're going to taste this just to make sure we're right on point. It's fantastic. The bright citrus with the lime, the agave, a little bit of heat with the poblano pepper, and of course it rounds out with that sweet balance of the fresh mango. This is absolutely fantastic, and I hope you try this one out. Cheers.